Good morning, children. Yesterday you have studied about different types of houses, how they are made, and what are their uses. Now today we'll study about the clothes and fibers. As you all know that early humans used to wear animal skin, or they used to cover their body by leaves. But nowadays we have variety of clothes to wear, and we need clothes to keep ourselves warm in winter. We need clothes to protect ourselves from sun's heat in summer. We also need to protect ourselves from rain and insect bites, and we need clothes to look good. So cloth is important in winters to keep us warm, in summers to keep us away from sun's heat and from insect bites and rain, and even it gives a graceful look. Clothes are mainly made up of two types of fibers. One is the natural fiber and the other is synthetic fiber, that is human made fiber. Natural fibers are obtained either from plants or from animals. Like here in the figure you can see this is cotton plant. This cotton plant produces cotton, and this cotton is used to make fibers, and then fibers are woven into yarns, or fibers are used to make different clothes. Now see, this is jute plant. It also produces fiber. It is also used to make cloths, and mostly it is used to make sacks. Now this here it is sheep. Wool we get from sheep. So wool is the animal fiber. We get it from shearing of sheep. And these are the silkworms. They produce silk fiber, and silk fibers are used to make silk cloths. So fibers obtained from cotton, jute, sheep or silkworm, these are called as natural fibers. Second is synthetic fibers, or we call it as man-made fibers. These fibers are made in laboratories by chemicals. So some human-made fibers are like nylon, terracotta, polyester. These are man-made fiber, or we can call it as synthetic fibers. They are mostly used to make socks, to make terracotta pants, and to make polyester jackets, because it has some special quality that they do not absorb water more, they dry soon, and they are easy to wash. So these materials are used to make socks, terracotta pant and polyester jackets. Now weather and clothes. As you know, according to weather we used to dress ourselves. Like in winters you used to wear woolen clothes. In summer you like to wear cotton clothes. And in rainy season you like to wear raincoats to protect yourself from rain. You use umbrella and gumboots also. These are the waterproof materials which prevent you from getting wet. So according to weather, clothes are selected to wear. Just see, why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? Because in summer it is too hot, and cotton clothes are able to absorb sweat that is produced in your body. Just see, this is cotton cloth. As I have dropped few drops of water, it has immediately absorbed. So it is cotton cloth. Now you see here, this one is synthetic cloth. I am pouring water on it. Will it absorb? Just see, it is not absorbing. It will take time, or the water will fall and collect at its bottom. So synthetic fibers are not good absorber of water, whereas cotton fiber absorbs lot of water. So we like to wear cotton clothes in summer because it absorbs sweat from of our body and keep us cool. Now in winter season you like to wear woolen clothes. This is wool fiber. It is obtained from sheep. So woolen fibers keep us warm in winter. That's why we like to wear woolen clothes in winters. But in rainy season we used to wear clothes made of plastic. That is, it prevent rain to fall on to wet us. So during rainfall we use either umbrellas or raincoat. So these are the different types of cloths. Even silk cloths are used. Silk cloth is also a good absorber and it is used to wear in summers. Okay children, today only this much. We'll continue doing exercise tomorrow.